U.S. Drone Soccer announces new women ambassadors. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby. U.S. Drone Soccer has announced Lindsay Grieves and Lexie Janson as program ambassadors. The pair received honors during CES at the 2023 Women to Watch Awards presented during the Women and Drones Global Awards. Both women are consummate drone pilots and will act as role models for students with an interest in the burgeoning field of drone technology. A professional drone racing pilot, Lindsay Grieves has competed in several international competitions, including the Drone Champions League and the World Games 2022. Meanwhile, Lexie Janson is a VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, pilot for Jetson and Airspeeder, as well as a competitive drone racing pilot. Both women display an eagerness to pass on their knowledge and experience to the next generation of drone enthusiasts. "It's amazing to have these women as role models," said U.S. Drone Soccer's Director of Engagement, Dr. Renee Welch. "It's important that young girls can see themselves in the future of drone sports, aviation, and aerospace. They are also both passionate about education and training others, and the importance of bringing STEM to life for students around the world. Committed to improving the accessibility of aviation careers via student programs, educator training, and competitive events, U.S. Drone Soccer collaborates with universities, school districts, and nonprofits to give students access to hands-on experience with drone technology.